Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wordivo English Tips. Today's video is a slow English storytelling practice for beginners. This lesson will help you improve listening skills, vocabulary, pronunciation, speaking confidence, English understanding. Listen carefully, read slowly, repeat after me, relax your mind, and enjoy the story. There was a young boy named Arjun who lived in a peaceful town with his parents and younger sister. His family was simple and hardworking. Every morning, Arjun woke up early at 6 o'clock. He cleaned his room, helped his mother prepare breakfast, and then got ready for school. Arjun was a smart student and enjoyed learning new things. He especially liked reading books and watching educational videos. However, there was one thing that made him feel uncomfortable. He was afraid of speaking English in front of people. In school, Arjun could understand many English words, but when he tried to speak, he became nervous. His hands felt cold, and his voice became weak. Sometimes he knew the answer in class, but he stayed silent because he feared making mistakes. One day, his English teacher entered the classroom with a smile and announced a speaking activity. Every student had to come to the front of the class and speak in English for 2 minutes about their hobbies or daily routine. Many students looked excited, but Arjun became worried immediately. He started thinking negatively. He thought, what if I forget words? What if my classmates laugh at me? What if my pronunciation is wrong? After school, Arjun walked home slowly. He felt disappointed in himself. He wanted to become confident in English, but fear always stopped him from trying. That evening, his father noticed that Arjun looked sad. He asked gently, "What happened today?" Arjun explained everything. His father listened carefully and smiled. Then he said, "Son, nobody becomes perfect in one day. Every skill takes time. The important thing is to practice daily and never stop trying." These words gave Arjun some hope. The next morning, Arjun decided to change his habits. He made a simple plan to improve his English little by little every day. First, he started reading short English paragraphs aloud every morning. At first, his pronunciation was not very clear. Sometimes he stopped in the middle of sentences because he did not know how to pronounce certain words. But instead of giving up, he repeated the difficult words slowly again and again. Second, Arjun started listening to slow English podcasts every night before sleeping. He used headphones and listened carefully to the speaker's pronunciation and rhythm. Sometimes he repeated sentences softly after the speaker. This method helped him improve his listening and speaking skills together. Third, Arjun started writing new vocabulary words in a notebook. Every day, he learned 5 new words and used them in simple sentences. For example, confident means feeling sure about yourself. Practice means doing something regularly to improve. Improve means becoming better. This habit slowly increased his vocabulary. One weekend, Arjun visited a small library near his house. The library was quiet and peaceful. While looking for books, he met an elderly man sitting near the window and reading an English newspaper. The old man smiled warmly and asked, "Do you enjoy reading English books?" Arjun replied shyly, "I want to improve my English, but speaking is difficult for me." The old man laughed softly and said, "That is completely normal. When I was young, I also struggled with English, but daily practice changed my life." Then he shared an important lesson with Arjun. He said, "Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are teachers. Every mistake helps you learn something new." These words deeply inspired Arjun. From that day, Arjun became more confident and disciplined. Every evening, he practiced speaking English in front of a mirror for 10 minutes. He talked about simple topics like his school, hobbies, favorite foods, and daily activities. At first, he made many mistakes, but slowly his confidence improved. His pronunciation became clearer, and he started speaking more naturally. A few months later, the English teacher organized another classroom speaking activity. This time, Arjun felt nervous, but he also felt prepared. When his name was called, he walked slowly to the front of the class. He took a deep breath and started speaking about his favorite hobby, reading books. He spoke slowly and clearly. He explained how books helped him learn new ideas, improve vocabulary, and relax his mind. At first, his voice was soft, but after a few sentences, he became more comfortable. His classmates listened carefully, and his teacher smiled proudly. When Arjun finished speaking, everyone clapped loudly. Arjun felt extremely happy. For the first time, he realized that confidence does not come from perfection. Confidence comes from practice and patience. After that day, Arjun continued learning English every day. He watched English videos, listened to podcasts, read simple books, and practiced speaking with friends. Slowly, English became part of his daily life. He no longer feared speaking in front of people. Instead, he enjoyed conversations and felt proud of his progress. Arjun also started helping younger students who were afraid of English. He encouraged them by saying, "Do not wait to become perfect. Start today." Small daily practice creates big improvement. His journey inspired many people around him. They understood that learning English is not about talent. It is about consistency, patience, and confidence. In the end, Arjun learned one important truth. Success is not achieved in one day. It grows slowly with effort, discipline, and daily practice. And most importantly, he learned that every learner can improve if they believe in themselves and continue moving forward step by step. Great job! You completed this slow English storytelling practice. Listen again for better understanding. Learn new vocabulary from the story. Practice speaking slowly and confidently. Also watch our old videos for more English practice. Like the video. Comment, "I will improve daily." Subscribe to Wordivo English Tips. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep growing.